Welcome to Pumble, the #1 business messaging app. Today, we're going to cover formatting your messages for better and more effective communication with your team. We'll cover how to stylize text, add direct quotes, hyperlinks, create lists, add code text, and more. In the chat box, located at the bottom, you'll see a list of basic text editing options for you to properly format your message. Use bold to emphasize information like big announcements, dates, and titles. Use italics to highlight info like specific instructions or emphasize something in your message. Use strikethrough when you want to put a line across parts of your message to clarify instructions, make updates, or corrections. You can go back and correct any mistakes or make changes with Edit Message. Hover over the message and go to More Actions, and then Edit Message. Select Expand Text on the top right of the chat box in case you have a long message and need more room to work with. Using a Blockquote is a great way for highlighting direct information from someone on the team or a specific source. It helps differentiate between direct quotes and the rest of your text. Now, like most messaging apps, you can copy and paste links to the chat and it will be added as a hyperlink. Pressing the link icon or typing in the keyboard shortcut, you can take it a step further by creating a custom title or text to be displayed when adding the link. Adding lists is a great way for adding actionable instructions, tasks, or just listing out items. Select the ordered list icon and you'll be able to add numbered entries. Hold the Shift key, hit return or enter to add a new line. Instead of a numbered list, you can also add a bulleted list. Like the ordered list, select the bulleted list icon to add your list items and type Shift plus enter or return to add a new item line. Using the inline code option is a quick and easy way to add a single line of code that you can differentiate from the rest of your text. Select the inline code icon and you can add your line of code in its proper syntax, which will be highlighted. If you choose to copy any lines of code, typed and or edited in the chat, you can copy it as it is to any text editor. In the inline code option, you can add a larger code block where you can add multiple lines of code that include different languages. The best use for this is with the expand text option to make sure all of your code is correct. These codes can be edited, copied, and pasted to a text editor. Another new and exciting feature for formatting text is the text snippet feature. To start, go to the plus icon on the bottom left of the chat box and select text snippet, where you'll see the create snippet window or type in the keyboard shortcut. In the content box, you'll see that it works similar to your usual code text editor where you can add lines of code by pressing return or enter. When finished, you can add a title for the snippet and you can highlight languages in your text by opening the type drop-down menu. Here, you'll find dozens of languages to choose from. So for example, if you have a front-end website developer, you can select HTML, CSS, or JavaScript and highlight those languages for them to check and edit. If you look at the bottom of the text, you'll see the wrap checkbox. By checking this box, you won't be able to add any more lines of text. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful and you want to see more Pummel videos, visit our website or check us out on YouTube, and don't forget to like and subscribe.